Hi, when I first heard about LinkedIn, I thought it was for working professionals, but I was wrong. Today, having a powerful LinkedIn profile can unlock many opportunities for you. So, if you're watching this, you are at the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Poorna Hari. I am studying B.Tech at Sai University, Chennai. In this channel, I make videos which will help you grow outside the classroom. Today, I will tell you how to create a powerful LinkedIn profile, and I will share how to find internships in LinkedIn as well. Let's start the video. First, we'll see why LinkedIn is important for students, why it matters. LinkedIn is the career password for you. It's like an on the resume. Whenever you are applying for any internships or anything, the mandatory thing you need to have is your LinkedIn profile. In LinkedIn, you can find many opportunities like internships, freelance gigs, and many more. The thing is, 90% of the students don't take LinkedIn seriously. So, if you do, you instantly stand out in the crowd. Now, we'll see how to build a strong LinkedIn profile. Now, I am showing my LinkedIn profile as a reference. First thing, you need to have a perfect profile picture like this. A clear and smiling head photo. That's it. Banner. Use Canva to design with your name, skills, and showing your passion. Just show what you are about. Headline. Don't just write student at Sai University. Write the keywords which improve your profile visibility. About. Write about yourself and include all of this. Who you are, what are you learning, what are you looking for. Keep it simple and authentic. Experience. Add internships, freelancing, and your college roles. Projects. If you've done any projects before, write about it and give the links of GitHub and your project link there. Skills. Add 5 to 10 relevant skills. Featured section. Upload your resume or any certificates or anything that you want to showcase. Now we'll see how to use a LinkedIn as a student. You can connect with your alumni and your seniors as well. You can connect with working professionals or founders if you need any guidance or any help do you want. If you want to find internships, go to search. Search domain. I'm searching for UI UX plus internships. You will see a lot of internships and filter the date posted to last 24 hours. It will show you latest internship posting. Or you can go to job sections and search your domain, filter the options and hit easy apply wherever possible. That's it. Build the profile now, attract many opportunities and apply for more internships. Comment below if you have any questions. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.